Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Fiat 500 gear knob. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and your new gear knob. Make sure your replacement knob is designed for your specific Fiat 500 model to ensure a perfect fit. Working in a well-lit space will make the process much easier and safer. This simple upgrade can really refresh your car's interior. Now, let's remove the old gear knob. Start by gently prying up the gear gaiter from its base. A trim removal tool works best here to avoid scratching any surfaces. Once the gaiter is lifted, you'll see the retaining clip or collar that holds the knob in place. Depending on your model, you might need to unscrew the knob by twisting it counterclockwise or release a clip. Take your time to avoid damaging any components. With the old knob off, it's time for the new one. Carefully align the new gear knob with the shifter shaft. Push it down firmly, ensuring it seats correctly. Then, twist it clockwise until it feels secure and tight. Double-check that any retaining clips or collars are properly engaged to prevent the knob from coming loose during driving. A snug fit is crucial for safe and comfortable gear changes. Before you hit the road, perform a quick check. Shift through all the gears to ensure everything operates smoothly and the knob feels secure. Finally, reattach the gear gaiter, pressing it firmly back into its base until it clicks into place. You've successfully upgraded your Fiat 500 interior. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, see the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.